What to disclose, what to disclose. We're happy to say that after being involved in over 1,000 transactions together in the last 16 years, we have never had a lawsuit, and neither have any of our buyers or sellers that we've represented.
Disclosing anything that has been repaired, replaced, modified, added, fixed, or changed is very important and will help us stay out of litigation. It is essential to go over all the disclosures prior to putting your home into MLS or prior to a buyer seeing the home. We want them to view the disclosures prior to making an offer. This will help ensure the buyer doesn't back out later after learning something about the home they don't know before making the offer. In California, there is a massive amount of disclosures that need to be filled out and or disclosed. This is actually a safety net for not only the buyer, but also you, the seller. Anything from whether or not you live on a golf course, or if you have a sex offender living in the surrounding area, would need to be disclosed, if, of course, it is something you know personally about.
So if you've painted the walls, cleaned or changed the carpets, added new lighting, or fixed the water heater, you need to disclose it. One of my common sayings to my clients is, if you have to ask me if you should disclose it, the answer is most always going to be yes. Over disclosure is better than under disclosure and will keep you out of the courtroom. You want the buyer to know anything and everything you know about the home. When you disclose properly, you don't have to worry about them coming back to you and telling you they want to go to court or want to try to extract money out of you. Obviously, you can only disclose what you know about. If there's issues with the property that you don't know about, then the buyer would have to prove that you did know and kept that from them intentionally in order to win in court. So disclose, disclose, disclose.
If you're thinking of selling, give us a call. We've helped hundreds of people just like you. Remember, even if you're selling a home on your own, you're never alone with the two of us.